In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Figma, a simple trick that makes your paragraphs look clean and professional with even margins on both sides. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to begin by selecting the text box you're working with. When you first create a text box in Figma, you might notice that it defaults to basic alignment options like left, center, or right. This is perfectly fine, but what often happens is text can look uneven, especially on the right edge. That's because these basic alignment options don't distribute your text evenly across both sides. Now with your text layer selected, look towards the right-hand side of your Figma workspace. There you'll find the Properties panel. This is where you can tweak and adjust various settings to perfect your design. What you need to look for here is the section labeled Type Details. Keep in mind that in newer versions of Figma, this might simply be labeled as bar type. Go ahead and click to expand it. This is going to be your gateway to more advanced typography settings. As you expand this section, it reveals more alignment choices. Within these options, you'll want to locate the Par Justify button. Visually, this button is represented by a set of stacked horizontal lines. You'll notice that these lines are aligned on both the left and right sides, giving a visual cue about what the button does. This is your key to achieving that polished, magazine-style text alignment. Once you've found it, simply click on the Justify button. Watch as Figma instantly works its magic. Your text will spread out, adjusting the space between words so that both the left and right edges form a straight, even line. This style, often seen in print materials like books or magazines, gives your design that extra touch of professionalism. Here's a quick tip for you. If your paragraph happens to be on the shorter side or your text box is quite narrow, you might notice that the word spacing looks a bit stretched. Don't worry, there's an easy fix for this. All you have to do is drag and widen your text box slightly. This small adjustment will help make the justification look smoother and more natural. And just like that, with a few simple clicks, your text now has that clean, polished finish that elevates the entire look of your design. This little trick can go a long way in making your work appear more intentional and thoughtfully crafted. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Feel free to share your own Figma tips and tricks in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on future design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.